Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll talk about the activities of a probationary firefighter. But before we dive into it, if you're interested in this type of information, hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell for notifications when I post new videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video. This helps us get more visitors. Thank you. The activities of a probationary firefighter, often referred to as a probie, are multifaceted and vital to their growth and integration within the fire department. Probationary firefighters are in a phase of learning, training, and proving their abilities to become full-fledged members of the firefighting team. During this period, they engage in various activities that contribute to their development and preparedness for the challenges of firefighting and emergency response. Probationary firefighters undergo rigorous training programs that cover a wide variety and range of skills and knowledge areas, including fire suppression techniques, emergency medical procedures, equipment operation, and departmental protocols. They attend classroom sessions, hands-on drills, and simulations to build a strong foundation for their future roles. Maintaining optimal physical fitness is crucial for firefighters. Probationary firefighters participate in fitness training sessions and workouts to ensure they are physically capable of handling the demands of firefighting tasks, including carrying heavy equipment and performing strenuous rescues. Probies learn to handle and operate various firefighting tools and equipment, from hoses and nozzles to breathing apparatus and thermal imaging cameras. Familiarity with the equipment is essential for efficient response during emergencies. Probationary firefighters assist with station duties, which include cleaning and maintenance, maintaining equipment throughout the station, performing routine checks on vehicles, restocking supplies, and ensuring the readiness of the firehouse for immediate response. Probationary firefighters often accompany experienced crew members on emergency calls. This exposure provides them with real-life experience and understanding of operational procedures and an opportunity to observe senior firefighters in action. Practical training drills such as simulated fire scenarios and rescue operations allow probationary firefighters to apply theoretical knowledge and develop critical decision-making skills under controlled situations. Engaging with the community is an integral aspect of firefighting. Probies participate in public education programs, community events, and fire safety demonstrations to promote fire prevention and establish positive relationships with the public. The probationary period is marked by a commitment to ongoing learning. Probies attend workshops, seminars, and training sessions to expand their skill set and stay updated on industry trends and best practices. Throughout their probationary period, firefighters are evaluated by their peers and superiors on their performance, skills, and attitude. Feedback helps probationary firefighters identify areas for improvement and further development. In conclusion, the activities of a probationary firefighter encompass a comprehensive range of training, practical experience, and integration into the fire department's culture. This phase is pivotal in shaping their skills, mindset, and readiness to become full-fledged firefighters capable of effectively responding to emergencies and serving their communities. Well, that's it for now. I invite you to check out my website at chiefsclassroom.org for an in-depth approach to entry-level firefighter testing. Each of my courses is designed to complement the other courses, and together they direct the student in how to approach the exam process. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses. Take care.